friends, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. I appreciate every single one of y'all. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. Thank you for tuning in. Before we get into it, it is Tuesday, November 15th. It's currently 10:51 a.m. and your girl is doing another get ready with me. Today is like a more chill, like comfy type of day. So my fit today is like very chilled, very comfy. So I'm gonna show y'all like a little bit later, but I gotta lay my baby here. I feel like wearing lashes today, so I'm gonna just throw that on, brush out my brows, show y'all my fit and stuff like that. I put my jewelry on off camera and my little sweater thing, but that aside, we're gonna talk about what we are here to talk about while I do finish the rest of my hair and stuff like that. So in this video, I wanted to talk about like staying true to yourself. This kind of like stemmed. I'm getting hot right now, so this sweater is about to come off until I'm done. But, anyways, what was I saying? This video idea, like, it stemmed from the whole relationship series that I was doing. So I want to tap into, like, expand on it some more because I just feel like it's super duper important. Just staying true to yourself, staying true to who you are. So first of all, I like looked up what does it mean to stay true to yourself, because I wanted to like expand my perspective on this topic anyway. So it says being true to yourself means behaving according to your beliefs and doing what you think is right. Try to remember that no matter how hard it gets, you have to remain true to yourself. So in the relationship series, I was talking about how like when you're in a relationship sometimes, and I've come to realize it's not just relationships, it can be friendships too. You could kind of lose yourself and not stay true to yourself because you want to kind of fit in. You don't want to feel like you're missing out on, you know, being with a certain person or having a certain individual as a friend. So you kind of lower your values, lower who you are a little bit for the sake of them. But there's a saying that character is like pregnancy. Who you are is like pregnancy. You can only hide for so long. So if you're pregnant, baby, eventually it's going to show. Like you can only keep that bump for so long. You can only keep that baby hidden for so long. You get what I'm trying to say? And I just feel like it's the same way. Like who someone is will eventually show. It may take time, but it will eventually show. So from my experience, it's better to show who you are from the beginning, be who you are from the beginning. If you're shy, be shy. If you're outgoing, be outgoing. If you're honest, be honest. You get what I'm trying to say? And it gets even deeper than that. So to go like a little bit further into it, I also found where it says when you are true to yourself, you allow your individuality and uniqueness to shine through. You respect the opinions of others, but you do not conform to the stereotypes or the expectations of others. And again, it's back to what I'm saying. Like, even if you are like friends with someone or in a relationship with someone, you will respect what they think, what they say, but you don't have to conform to that. You get what I'm trying to say? Because I feel like sometimes that's where like certain relationships go wrong, certain friendships go wrong. It's like people just try to be who they're not rather than be who they really are. And as a result, sometimes people end up getting hurt in the process. So I say like just be your true self. Like for me, like I know there are certain things that's a no-no, and nobody could peer pressure me into doing it. Nobody could convince me that it's a yes. Like I believe in what I believe in. So I think I'm pretty positive I've done a video on talking about like finding yourself, on spending time alone. So discovering, like, first of all, before you could be true to yourself, before you could be true to who you are, I think you have to find out who you are. Take time to know like what you believe in. What are your values? What are your expectations? What are you okay with? What are you not okay with? And sometimes we don't take time to do that. You get what I'm trying to say? We don't take enough time to find out what we're okay with and what we're not okay with. So we kind of just settle for anything. Like there's this quote that says, if you don't stand for something, you will fall for anything. And that ties in with you being true to yourself and with you knowing who you are. But you knowing who you are, it also comes with you learning to spend time alone. That way, you know what you like and you know what you don't like. You know what you can tolerate and you know what you're not willing to tolerate. You get to listen to your own voice in your own head when you spend time alone. So stay true to yourself, stay true to who you are. And this can go for younger people, this can go for older people. I know, like, one of the biggest things, y'all remember high school, and I believe high school still do this. Like, one of the biggest things a lot of like my friends from high school always told me, like, you know those yearbooks, people used to like write in them, in the back of them or whatever. The biggest thing that a lot of my friends from high school used to tell me was like, stay true to who you are. Like, you're so real, you're so honest, like you're so just yourself. Never change and never get away from that. So whoever's watching this video, just continue to be who you are. Work on yourself, yes, but understand what you believe in. If you don't believe in something, stand on that. You understand what I'm trying to say? Stay true to yourself. Don't lower your values, don't lower your standards, don't compromise or anything like that for nobody. Like, don't compromise. If you believe in something, you will find other people that believe in that same thing that you believe in, and they will rock with you. There's some people as well, they don't have to believe the same thing that you believe in, but they still know how to be a friend and stand with you. Even your significant other, they still know how to be a significant other and stand with you in whatever it is that you believe in. So just continue to stay true to yourself. So I'm gonna get a little bit deeper into it because I found an article that would like bring out some amazing pointers about staying true to yourself that I want to highlight on. So it's kind of like saying how to stay true to yourself as well. It's somewhat like a how-to. Yeah. So the first thing it says is speak honestly no matter who you're talking to. So if you believe in something, like, again, if this is your core belief on something and someone asks you, what do you think? What do you feel? What do you believe? Just be honest about it. They might agree with you, they might not agree with you, and that's okay. Like, I've completely become okay with people like agreeing with me to disagree with me. Before, I used to be like, I used to feel like, dang, I want everybody to agree with me, I want everybody to see things the way that I see things. But I realized everybody will not always see things the way that you see things, and that's completely okay. So if someone asks for your opinion on something, your perspective on something, just give them your honest opinion, just give them your honest perspective. The other one, which I feel like is a really good one, because that's how you can continue to win people, surround yourself with good people, is it says don't put others down to make yourself look better. So I've seen where some people are afraid to express their true feelings, their true opinions about something, because there's some people that that tends to just put other people down because of what they think, because of what they feel, because of how they see things. Remember, like, a lot of people perspectives are shaped based on what they have been through, based on what they are exposed to. So someone might not see things the way you see things because of what they've been exposed to, and that's completely okay. But one of the things that I could definitely say that I dislike is don't put others down to make yourself look better. Like, just don't do that. I don't feel like it's cool. I don't feel like it's acceptable. So even when you're expressing what you think, when you're staying true to yourself, you don't have to downplay somebody else to prove that you're being true to yourself, if that makes sense. The third one, it says surround yourself with friends with integrity. I agree with that 100%. So to me, a friend of integrity is someone that, although they might not agree with your opinion, they can still respect your opinion. They're not going to tear you down about your opinion. Compared to a friend that doesn't have integrity, they're going to try to tear you down or put you down because of the opinion that you have, which I absolutely do not agree with. Number 4 is a big one. So I'm going to put this last one and then we're going to talk about it. So I got one of my lashes on. This one's still like giving me somewhat of a hard time, so I'm gonna touch on the next point. In the meantime, because I can't talk and put my lashes on, I just can't. So this next point, it says don't hide your character or preferences. As a general rule, there's very little to be gained by deceiving others about who you are or what you value. People who are true to themselves are comfortable with letting their beliefs and personality be known. So there are some people, my husband would be calling them frauds. Like, he'd be like, they are a fraud. A fraud is a person who don't let you know their intentions up front, their expectations up front, like who they truly are up front. So in order to help you to like stay true to yourself, stay true to who you are, don't hide who you are. If you're a nice person, be nice up front. You don't gotta be mean and put up a front. If you're mean, be mean up front. If you're a person that takes advantage of people, be upfront about it, period. Next one, examine your own values. So this is similar to how I was saying, like, you got to take time to kind of be alone so you know that, so you can get an idea of what you value, of what you believe in, and etc. So I'm gonna put this lash on because the glue is pretty dry, and then I'm gonna touch on one, maybe 2 more points, and then this video is gonna be done. Got them on, y'all can see them. Activated, okay? Oh, I can take these off too. This happened. Yay. Glasses, but activated now, okay? Alright, so we're gonna finish this video up, and then I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna touch on like 1 or 2 more points about staying true to yourself. Don't get it twisted. Staying true to yourself doesn't mean trying new things, but if those new things compromise your beliefs, compromise your values, compromise your standards, don't try them. It's not who you are. In the long run, you will only have regrets. You will only have like disappointment. You will ask yourself like, why did I do that? And I can share this with y'all because I know like there were moments in my life where I didn't stay true to myself because I was scared of missing out. I was wanting to fit in. I didn't want to be by myself, and I felt like if I didn't do certain things or lower my expectations, lower my standards, or adjust my beliefs, then certain people would no longer be around. Newsflash, they're not around anyway. So just stay true to yourself. But next point is, again, back to, I feel like staying true to yourself is a part of finding yourself, because when you know who you are, when you know what you believe in, it's easier to surround yourself with the people that you want to be surrounded by, because you know who you are, you know what you believe in, you know what your standards are, and you can stand on your beliefs, you can stand on your standards without compromising. So I guess this part is like the last one I'm going to touch on, and then that's it. So a part of staying true to yourself is learning to brush off your mistakes that you have made. If you hang on to your mistakes, then it's harder to stay true to who you are. If you dwell on the mistakes that you've made and you keep just letting them hold you back from you living up to your fullest potential, living up to and being who you want to be. Because let's say maybe you became a certain person, or you're a certain person, and maybe a friend like made fun of you for being that person or being that way. That's okay. Like, still continue to be who you are, as long as you're content within yourself, as long as you're happy with being that version of yourself. So my whole purpose of this video, my whole encouragement, my whole motivation is just stay true to yourself. As long as you continue to stay true to yourself, you will find people that just love you for who you are, support you for who you are. They might not agree with your beliefs, your perspectives, and all of that, but they will make it easier to stand on who you are, stand on what you believe in, stand on your values, etc. So stay true to yourself. So I'm gonna show y'all my outfit real quick, and then this video is gonna be a wrap. I hope y'all enjoyed it. So as y'all can see, hold on, is the lighting good? Yes, I did my baby hairs, laid them, did my little lash. And then because today is way colder, y'all, I got this sweater thing on in the house, threw on some leggings, a tank top, and y'all know my favorite, these house socks, and I got these purple house slippers on. So that's my outfit, and I decided to go with silver accessories because y'all know I love me some silver. I would throw on some lip gloss, but I'm about to go eat after this because I'm super hungry. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. I had fun doing it, talking about it or whatnot, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just remember, stay true to yourself. If you're around people that don't allow you to stay true to yourself, that don't allow you to be yourself, go find people that will allow you to be your true self and not suppress your values, not compromise your values, and things like that. So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great.